Hello, children. Good morning. Grade 3, Subject Science, Unit 3. Do you remember? In Unit 2, we have learnt about three states of matter and their properties. And I hope you're all now able to differentiate which is solid, liquid, and gas. Yes? Very good. Children, we are going to start a new chapter. Unit 3, chapter name is Force. In this chapter, our first topic is simple movements and actions. Now, let me ask a question. Tell me, what are the different actions we do in our daily life? Yes, very good. In our daily life, we do different actions such as pushing, pulling, twisting, and turning. By doing these actions, we move or change the shape of an object. Change in position of an object is called movement. Action is the motion which gives the required result. Let us look at the pictures to understand movement and action better. Tell me, in the above pictures, what moves? Yes, very good. Ball and the bicycle moves. What is the action? Yes, the player hits the ball with hockey stick. In another picture, boys are riding bicycle. Now we are going to learn about some important definitions which is related to this topic. First, motion. What is motion? When an object or a thing moves from one place to another, it is said to be in motion. What is force? Force is a push or a pull on an object which make it move, changes its shape or stops it from moving. Force involves an interaction between two or more objects. Force can lift or drop an object. Without force, we can't move any object. Look and say, what kind of actions do the pictures denote? Yes, here all the pictures shows some pushing action. What is push? When a force is applied in the direction of an object, it is called as push. Look and say, what kind of action do the pictures say? Yes, here all the actions show pulling action. What is meant by pull? Yes, when a force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of an object, it is called as pull. We are going to learn about effect of forces. Energy is needed to apply force. Force helps us to do the following things. First, force changes direction. Force changes motion. Force can change the speed. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the shape. First, force changes direction. Here in the picture, a boy hits the shuttlecock and it reaches the other boy. He hits it again with the racket to move it to the opposite direction. The next is force changes motion. The cycle moves forward because force is applied on the cycle by pedaling. When we stop pedaling, the force is removed and the cycle stops and comes to rest. Some applications of force in everyday life. In first picture, we see a girl opening the door. In the second picture, we see a group of children pulling rope in tug of war. In third picture, we see a boy pulls a rope from well. The third one is force can change the speed. Force can change the speed of a body which is already in motion by providing more force on it. In this picture, Ram and his brother are playing with a toy car. Ram tries to move the toy car and his brother stops it from the opposite direction to slow down the toy car. Thus, force changes the speed of an object. The next is force can stop a moving object. An object stops moving when we apply force in the opposite direction. Let me ask some questions. Have you played football game? Yes? Okay. Think you are the goalkeeper in the football game. How will you stop the ball? Yes, the goalkeeper applies force and stops the ball. Next is the force can change the shape. When an inflated balloon or water balloon is pressed, some force is applied on both sides of the balloon. Thus, it changes its shape. While squeezing a plastic water bottle, force is applied on all sides of the bottle. Thus, the shape and size of the bottle is changed. Okay, children, can you match this? These pictures shows different actions. So match this. After matching, check the answers. Today our homework is classify the following. Push or pull. Draw a tabular column in your rough note and write the answers to the questions given. Okay, children. Thank you.